They told us unicorns were just a fairy tale. But history tells a different story. For thousands of years, rulers, explorers, and healers swore by the power of the unicorn horn. Ground to powder, it was said to neutralize any poison, cure sickness, and shield against unseen forces. In the courts of kings, one unicorn horn could buy more than treasure. It could buy life itself. Even the Bible speaks of them, 9 times describing the realm. A colossal, one-horned beast, wild, untamable, and filled with divine power. But the creature itself was almost impossible to catch. Swift as the wind, fierce as a lion. Ancient hunters wrote that a unicorn could not be taken alive. It would vanish into the wilds, or into thin air itself before allowing capture. We find them everywhere in the record. In 4th century BCE, Persia, a royal physician described a white beast with eyes of icy blue and a spiraled horn banded in red, black, and white. Aristotle listed them among real animals. Pliny the Elder mentions them in his chronicles. Occult traditions go further. They claim the horn was more than bone. It was the physical manifestation of an awakened pineal gland, the body's true third eye, able to sense purity, detect corruption, and resonate with the frequency of hidden gateways between worlds. And then they were gone. Some say we hunted them to extinction. Occult traditions claim they merely withdrew, passing back into a parallel realm to escape human greed, waiting for an age when mankind is worthy of their return. If that's true, the question isn't, did they exist? It's when will they return?